At the White House, Press Secretary Sarah Huckabee Sanders stood by the president's assertion that he did nothing wrong.
As the president has stated on numerous occasions, he did nothing wrong. There are no charges against him in this. And just because Michael Cohen made a plea deal doesn't mean that that implicates the president on anything.
In court Tuesday, Cohen said he was acting on orders from then presidential candidate Trump when he paid off 2 women to keep them quiet shortly before the election. Cohen's attorney, Lanny said his client may also have information related to the Russia probe, led by special counsel Robert Mueller.
It's my observation that what he knows, that he witnessed, will be of interest to the special counsel. That's my opinion. We'll see.
At a rally in West Virginia Tuesday, Trump again blasted the news media and the Russia probe.
Fake news and the Russian witch hunt. We got a whole big combination. Where is the collusion? You know, they're still looking for collusion. Where is the collusion?
Trump's supporters, like Patti Beavers, are sticking with him.
He's putting America first. He's keeping his promises, just like he said, and I really believe that he will continue on.
Democrats were eager to highlight a new line of attack in the wake of the Cohen and Manafort cases, led by Senate leader Chuck Schumer.
What a swamp. What a swamp. Far worse than the swamp that existed when President Trump took over. He has not cleaned the swamp. He has made it more wretched and more fetid.
The legal cloud hovering above the Trump White House appears to be darkening, says analyst Laura Brown.
There is a sense that momentum is building in both, special counsel Mueller's case, but also with regard to sort of the more questions around corruption and the president, which was revealed with Michael Cohen's plea.
There's also the sense of an embattled president fighting on several fronts at once, says Julie Pace.
We don't know what this will mean for Trump's presidency. We don't know if we will see Republicans and voters turn their back on him. But this is a more serious situation than I think he has found himself in at earlier points in his presidency.
But the legal and political fallout is still a long way from being determined, says Paul Schiff-Berman.
Does that mean that he will be impeached? Not necessarily. That's a political process. Does that mean that his supporters will stop supporting him? Not necessarily. That's a question of politics as well.
And speaking of politics, it's now clear that the legal problems involving Cohen and Manafort will be an issue in the November congressional elections, where Democrats are favored to make gains. Jim Malone, VOA News, Washington.